Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is still in this range that we identified, yeah. It also reacted positively yesterday, moved here to the upside, and we talked about it, I think just yesterday or the day before, that HBAR possibly completed its fourth wave already. However, as always, what I like to see normally is the C wave a little bit lower than the A wave. But if it now breaks above the B wave high, which is at 7.1 cent, then I would have to assume that the wave 4 was finished. I at the moment would still be looking at another wave to the upside. At least that is likely, as long as the 5.87 cent level is holding. HBAR is one of the coins where I might actually add a grid bot probably tomorrow. Today I added one for Rune. I might want to do that for HBAR, just because if it gets the wave 5 to the upside, I can set a very nice range here between the top of the wave 5 and the projected low of the wave 2. So obviously when we get this wave 5, we can consider a wave 1 complete, then looking at a wave 2 down. This is a range where it can basically print USDT for me, and that's when I like to use grid bots. We made a live stream about it and also a few dedicated videos. So let's see. And all channel members who are watching, I will of course make you aware when I add a grid bot and with which parameters. Now, again, currently in a range still, this could, I think I mentioned it in the last video, this could become an Elliott Wave triangle. The triangle is possible because we're making lower highs and higher lows. So a possible contracting triangle, but it's just a bit too early to really confirm that. I mean, from an Elliott Wave point of view, and looking at it from a triangle perspective, we could label it, as it already is, A, B, C, D, and then an E wave, but I'll highlight that in yellow for you so you can see it better. It would mean that if we now get one more low, that this could be the E wave, but it would have to stay above the C wave low. So it would have to stay above 6.25 cents, or it cannot be a triangle. Well, it could, but then I would have to relocate the C wave to over here. Yeah, the point is the D wave needs to stay below the B wave high, and that is at 7.13 cents. And the E has to stay above the C wave low. And then when it then turns around after a possible E wave low is in, breaking above the D wave high at, basically around about 7.1, let me just make that accurate. D wave high here is 7.1 cents. That would be an indication it's breaking out, and a break above the B wave high, which is the same level basically, would be a confirmation that it's breaking out. Yeah, and that's sort of where we are, still in a range between these levels that are highlighted to you. Therefore, at the moment, we just need to be patient and wait for the breakout. If it comes down in an E wave, the ideal target would be the 61.8% extension of the C wave, and that would take us to 6.54 cents as an ideal target. Okay, if it fails to hold that and goes lower, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down and retests here the 38.2 fib level at 6.4 cents, or that ascending trend line, which will be around 6.25 cents, just above the C wave low. And if from here we start to the upside and make another high, target would be, take the length of the third wave, we go to the low of the fourth. Now again, I have to take at the moment the last low of the fourth. It might, depending on where it eventually ends, these targets might shift a bit. The very first target would be 7.9 cents, the 38.2 extension. The problem with that is it would be below the wave 3 high, so I will have to consider a higher level, and here we talk about the 8.9 cent level. That would be the 61.8% extension that I'm looking at here for a possible fifth wave to the upside. So again, focus here remains on higher because we are consolidating on a pretty high level. It's in a range. Typically, you call that a bull flag or bullish pennant, and the expectations here would be to go higher. And nothing else to add. I will keep you updated about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.